Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Aternos server is running and you can stop/start it. Next, add the necessary mod or plugin that grants night vision. This could be a potion effect plugin for bucket/spigot or a client-side shader for fabric/forge. Once done, make sure to upload the correct jar or zip to the Mods or Plugins tab and enable it. I explain why. Server-side plugins apply to everyone, while client-side shaders only change your view. You now handle the detailed install and configuration. Pick a plugin or mod version that matches the server's Minecraft version. Incompatibility causes crashes. Upload the file to the Mods or Plugins section, enable it, and restart the server to load changes. After restarting, edit the plugin's config file to set effect duration, brightness, and permission nodes so the right players get night vision. This step avoids griefing and controls performance impacts. You finish by testing and troubleshooting. In-game, apply night vision via the plugin command or give yourself the consumable, then confirm the visual change. If nothing happens, open Aternos server logs to spot errors and confirm the plugin loaded successfully. Make sure Java version and mod loader match requirements. Mismatches are the most frequent cause of failures. If problems persist, restore the backup, recheck compatibility, and restart the server. This usually resolves lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.